Hi, friends. Today's Tuesday, May 19th, and today we're going to be working on writing and interpreting two-digit numbers to 100 as addition sentences that combine tens and ones. So once again, if we think about what we looked at yesterday, we had a tens and ones chart, right? It looked a little bit like this, and there were some numbers, and we would think about how many tens there were, put it in the box, how many ones there were, put it in the box, or there was a number bond, say our number was 74. The number of tens we had was 7, and if we were to break those into two parts, if we were going to represent, let me erase that, that's not big enough. If we were going to represent 7 tens in terms of individual units, right, that would be the same as 70 and 4 ones, right? Okay, so same thing. If we're going to look at a number like this, 60 is the same as 6 tens, right? And if our total is 63, we should really have how many ones? 3 ones, right? Now, looking at this one, it tells us we've got 9 tens, 7 ones. Well, 9 tens, we can put the tens in the tens place and our ones in the ones place, right? So our tens would be here and our ones would be here, okay? So now let's think about the next one. The next one says 8 more than 50. And 50, right, is the same as how many tens? You should have said 5, right? So that would be in our tens place. And then 8 more, that looks like the same as 8 ones, right? So we would put our 8 there, okay? Now here's another one. This one's tricky. It's always tricky when the total is there and we're missing a little part here, right? But it gives us the clue here. So it tells us we've got 2 ones, which I can easily see that there's 2 ones right there. And we've got an 8 in the tens place. I see the tens right there, 8 tens. So I know I can just plop my little 8 right in there, okay? Now, same thing. Kind of similar, except this is with numbers and this one is with the units in there, right? So we've got the 5 ones accounted for, 5 and our 5. Now we need to get our 7 in there. However, if we put a 7 in here and we thought to ourselves, okay, 7 plus 5, well, if I've got 7 and I take 3 from that 5, make it 10, there's 2 extras, that's only 13. But that's not what our problem is asking us or asking us to find, right? What it's really looking for us to find is how many tens, right? There are 7 tens, and 7 tens is the same as 70, right? So here's our last one. 40 more than blank is 41. Well, let's think about this. There's 40, and we've got 40 there, but then we've got another little 1 here, right? So this must be that 1. 40 more than 1. It's almost like doing 40 plus 1 is 41, right? So let's go to our next one. Our next page, it's going to have you, or we're going to have you do your own, okay? So you're going to do the next problems, and then when you are finished with the next problems, you're going to play video number 2, okay? Do your best work, and when you're ready, you can play the next video.